Thanks everyone for joining the session. So today I'm going to discuss about VLANs. What do you mean by VLAN? Okay. So VLAN is a virtual local area network. Simple. What is that? Virtual local area network. So what does it mean? By default, what is the VLAN number in the switches? By default VLAN?
One.
It
One.
was one,
VLAN
right?
one.
VLAN one. Okay. Okay. So now let me show you the image, and then we can discuss about VLANs with beautiful images. Okay. Where is that VLAN? VLAN PPT. Okay. Sorry, I'm searching on the wrong. Yeah. You see here, right? Uh, yeah. So these are the switches. As you know, VLANs are part of LAN, switching technologies. And now you see, uh, once again, VLAN. Yeah, here it is. So now you see here, right? Generally, so consider a organization. Okay. So if you see, right, look at my mouse cursor. So this is a switch. All the interfaces on this switch belongs to one broadcast domain. Yes or no? That's why one VLAN. Is it clear? It is one local area network. By default, it considered as a virtual local area network. That is one. All are belongs to one VLAN. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Right? All ports are belongs to one broadcast domain. That is called one VLAN. Okay. So generally, it is called LAN network, local area network, one LAN network. Okay. Suppose you have an organization, and in your organization you have a sales team, accounts team, and technical team. Okay. So sales team is one network, one switch. Accounts team, one network, one switch. Technical team, one network, one switch. If you want to enable a communication between two networks, between sales to accounts, you need what? Router.
Okay.
Is it clear? See, the computer A is connected to the sales team switch. The computer B is connected to the technical switch, technical team switch. From sales team to technical team, if you want to enable a communication, what you need? A router. See, the data is entering on the switch here and leaving from the switch to the router, then going like this. Understand? Right? Now, the real question is, in sales team, I have only 4 employees. In technical team, this is accounts team. In accounts team, I have 10 employees. In technical team, I have 15 employees. So now, if you see this switch, right, each switch is having how many ports? 48 ports here. You can count it. 12, 12, 12. 12 is a 48. You can see total each switch is having 48 ports. So, but for sales switch, you're using 4 ports only for because sales team you have 4 members. You need 4 computers. All 4 computers will connect it to these 4 ports. Remaining 48 ports are wasting, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
What
sir.
do you say? So for each department you are purchasing a new switch, the new switch cost is minimum 1 lakh rupees nowadays. Okay. Now that's where the technologies evolved. So this is called one local area network, right? So what they're doing by configuring a virtual local area network, it means they can divide this one broadcast segment into multiple broadcast segments. It means currently it is all 48 ports are belongs to one broadcast domain, right? They can divide like you need 4 ports, right? 12, 12, 12. Just example. These 12 ports are belongs to sales team. These 12 ports belongs to accounts team. These 12 ports belongs to technical team. It means one physical switch having 3 logical switches. Understand? It means one broadcast domain is divided into 3 multiple broadcast domains. You can use even one port also you can configure as a one VLAN. Understand? Here I divided equally 12, 12, 12. But based on your requirement, like what is your requirement here? Sales team, 4, right? You need 4. Sales team, I need 4 ports. So these 4 ports you can assign to one VLAN. Is it clear? You can assign one VLAN. So based on your requirement, you can use it. So the thing is, by configuring VLANs, you are separating a one broadcast domain into multiple broadcast domain. Understand? It's a VLAN is a virtual switch. Okay. By configuring VLANs, you are dividing one broadcast domain into multiple broadcast domains like this. Look at this here. Now, if you see right here. Everyone able to see? Here you have three switches, right? Each switch cost is 1 lakh rupees. You need 3 lakh rupees, right? Now, by configuring VLANs, see this is one physical switch. Look at this. I divided into three VLANs. Each VLAN I giving a number. VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. This is called tag. This is called tag. We are separating the broadcast domain. By default, VLAN is one, right? One tag. But we are separating a physical switch into multiple logical switches by configuring VLANs. Now you see, right? You no need of these two switches, right? You are saving how many lakhs of rupees? 2 lakhs. Yes or no? So that is the
Yes.
cost of switches as well as the power maintenance, everything you saved it. See now you see here, right? The data is entering on the VLAN 10. It means sales team. And now it is entering here and it is only broadcasting to within the VLAN 10 only. Is it going to another VLAN? VLAN 20? No. It is going through VLAN 20 through the router. Is it clear? Through router only it is going, right? So it means remember carefully. Whatever the data entering into this port, right? This port is belongs to VLAN 10. So it will send the data to all VLAN 10 interfaces. Okay, this is VLAN 20. So it will not send the data to VLAN 20 interface because this is one network, this is another network. Okay. Now, if you want to go to one network to another network, you need a router. That's why it is going like this. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now you see,
Yes.
right? See, this is one physical switch. This eight ports is belongs to one VLAN. These are one other VLAN. So you're dividing it. Okay. You understand VLAN concept? So breaking up a physical switch into multiple virtual switches. Logically, you can divide one broadcast domain into multiple broadcast domain is called what? VLANs. This is the definition. I hope you understand the definition. Shall we learn packet level of VLAN? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, if you understand my question, my concept, right? What exactly I discuss now, let's see how many people can answer it. Again, I'm telling you, you know, right? If I'm asking any question, look at the topology, look at this device. You need to behave like as a device, right? And behave like a device and answer it. Don't blindly believe the topology and answer it. So this is a scenario based question. Lot of people are getting confused. You guys are not confused. The interviewer are making you confused. But if you stick at basics, right, you are the topper. Okay? Yeah. Let's see how it will be. Now understand PC0 IP address is 192.168.1.1. Requesting you go on mute. 192.168.1.2/24 is PC1 IP address. Now FA0/1 is belongs to what VLAN? VLAN 10. And FA0/2 belongs to VLAN 20. Now FA0/1 here also VLAN 20 and this is VLAN 20. Sorry, let's do this. Okay, guys, this is a scenario. Okay, this is a scenario based question. They will ask you in product based company or wherever it is. Okay, now if I initiate a ping from PC0 to PC1, will it ping or not? That's it. Don't give any explanation. Just answer my question. It will be ping or not.
No.
Right now it
No.
won't, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
okay. How many people say it will not ping?
Hi.
Everyone, right? Everyone is on the same word. It will not ping, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go to the packet level and understand whether it will be ping or not. You guys are thinking that these two are different VLANs, right? That's why it is not ping. That's what I understand, right?
There is
Yes.
no router here.
Yes.
So the thing is, you guys, that's what you guys are doing mistakes. It is
We
very,
just
it is simple,
wrote,
common mistakes where people are doing. Yama, you're saying something?
మనం జస్ట్ అక్కడ ఇలా రాసాం గానీ అది నిజానికి ఒకటే స్విచ్ ఇంకా మనం డాట్ని సెపరేట్ చేయలేదు సో
సెపరేట్ చేసామమ్మా. నేను కాన్ఫిగర్ చేశాను. నేను ఆల్రెడీ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేశానే అనుకో. ఇక్కడ రాసామంటే ఐ మీన్ ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ VLAN 10 కాన్ఫిగర్ చేశా. ఓకే.
ఓకే
వెరిఫికేషన్ కూడా చూపిస్తా ఇక్కడ VLAN 10 ఉంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ అ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. ఇట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ బీన్ కాన్ఫిగర్డ్ అనుకోండి. Now how the data will flow. So you guys are thinking, right? So let's understand the packet level. Please Everyone, please focus on it. After explaining this, you will fall in love with the VLAN stuff. Okay. Now you can decide whether it will ping or not. Okay. Now, if I initiate a ping from PC0 with 1.2, okay, what it will generate? It will generate a ICMP packet, right? Simply I can write ICMP. I don't want to write anything, just simple ICMP. Now this ICMP packet will go to where? FA0/1 interface. Yes or no? It is sitting on FA0/ interface on switch 0. So this FA0/1 belongs to which VLAN?
VLAN 10.
VLAN 10. Listen carefully. You have two types of ports in switch. One is access port. What is mean? If you want, if you want, assign any interface in VLAN, that interface will be configured as a what? Access port. అంటే ఏదైనా ఇంటర్ఫేస్‌ని వీలాన్‌లోకి అసైన్ చేయాలంటే ఆ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఏమై ఉండాలి? యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్‌లో అయి ఉండాలి. యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్‌లో ఉంటేనే అది వీలాన్‌లోకి అసైన్ చేయబడుతుంది. లేదంటే లేదు. ఈస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? So you have two types of interfaces in switch, access port and another one I will tell you. Okay, first is access port. If you want to assign any interface into the VLAN, that should be a access port. Okay, now if you see, right, I'm on a switch, enable config terminal interface FA0/1. So this port should be access port. So switch port mode, what is the mode? Access. Is it clear? Yeah. Now you need to create a VLANs. So creating a VLANs on the switch is dead easy. Currently you need to create a VLAN 10, right? Simple. VLAN 10. And then name it as a sales. Okay. Now you can check exit. So what is the command to check the VLAN summary? Do show VLAN
VLAN brief.
brief. See here, show VLAN brief is a command. By default VLAN is 1. I just created a VLAN 10, but did I assign any port to the VLAN 10? No. All ports are belongs to VLAN 1 only. So let me assign this FA0/1 belongs to VLAN 10. How to assign? Interface FA0/1, enter into that interface. Just assign it switch port access. It means this is already made as access port, right? This switch port access port assigned to VLAN 10. That's it. As simple as that. Now to check, do show VLAN brief. See, now it is assigned to VLAN 10. Understand what is the command to assign a interface to the VLAN? Switch port mode access. Enter into the interface. Give switch port mode access as well as switch port access VLAN 10. Is it clear? అందరికి
Yes.
అర్థమైందా ఎలా
Yes.
అసైన్
Yes, sir.
చేయాలో?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Now everyone going to school, once you entering into the school or college or in your office, you will wear a ID card. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes.
called what? Tag. When you go home, when you leave office, right? Once you come from the office gate, you will remove the tag and you will go. Yes or no?
Yes.
Generally, right? That is
Yes.
called what? Tagging and tagging. So when you are entering into your office, you are wearing a ID card. It is called tag. When you are leaving the office, you are removing the tag. Clear? Same here. When any data it arrives on the switch FA0/1. This FA0/1 belongs to which VLAN? VLAN.
VLAN 10.
VLAN 10.
VLAN 10.
So it will tag VLAN 10. Okay? It will tag VLAN 10. And then it will broadcast to all the VLAN interfaces. Yes or no? How many VLAN interfaces we have here?
VLAN 10, VLAN 20.
VLAN.
Oh, two.
On the
Listen,
switch one, we have VLAN 10 only.
I am asking on switch 0. I am
Yeah,
talking about switch
Two
0.
interface.
switch 0, it is VLAN 10 only.
VLAN 10 only.
Two.
How many interfaces?
Two
Two.
interface.
Two
Two
interface.
interfaces.
FA0/1 and FA0/2. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yep.
Right? The
Yes,
data
sir.
is the data has entered on FA0/1 and it is broadcast to FA0/2 also, right? Both are in same domain. VLAN 10, VLAN 10. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? You saw the PPT, right, guys? If you see the PPT here, the data entering in this VLAN 10 and it is exiting through also VLAN 10, right? అర్థం అయిందా అర్థం కాలేదా భయ్యా?
Yes, yes,
అయింది సార్
అర్థమైంది.
అయింది.
See, the data entering on the VLAN 10 interface here. So the data will send to all the interfaces in VLAN 10. So if the one of the router port is connected to the VLAN 10 here, it is exiting like this. సో VLAN 10 లో డేటా ఎంటర్ అయితే VLAN 10 లో ఎన్ని ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ కి డేటా అనేది పంపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి VLAN 10 లో FA0/1 లో ఉంది. ఈ FA0/1 లో ఏం హిట్ అయింది? ICMP డేటా హిట్ అయింది. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్యాగింగ్ VLAN 10 and sent to all VLAN 10 interfaces. We have a VLAN 10 interface on FA0 is FA0/2. So the data is arrived on FA0/2. Now it is exiting through FA0/2. So when it is exiting, what it will do? It will untag. Is it clear? It will untag and send the data to empty data to switch 1. Now switch 1 receives ICMP data on FA0/1 and FA0/1 belongs to VLAN 20. So it will tag VLAN 20. Whatever the data it received, right? It will tag the 10 VLAN 20 respective VLAN. This interface belongs to which VLAN, right? That VLAN will be tagged to the data and sent to all VLAN 20 interfaces. You have VLAN 20 interface as FA0/2. And now when it is exiting through FA0/2, what it will do? It will remove the tag and send to the PC1. So these two are access ports, right? This is the default behavior of access port. When the data entering into the FA0/1, that FA0/1 will be the access port and VLAN 10 tag. So access port, when is receiving a data, it will tag it. When it is sending out the data, it will untag it. Now PC1 received ICMP echo request and PC1 reply with ICMP echo reply. Right now, this reply packet will go to switch 1 FA0/2 port. This FA0/2 port belongs to VLAN 20. So it will tag VLAN 20 and send to VLAN 20 interfaces. We have VLAN 20 interfaces FA0/1. Now when it is exiting through FA0/1, it will untag the data and send empty data to here, switch 0. Switch 0 received this on FA0/2 and it is belongs to
Tag
VLAN
items.
10, it will tag
Tag
VLAN 10.
VLAN 10.
Now it will go to VLAN 10 interface FA0/1. When it is exiting through, it is remove the VLAN tag and go to the reply packet to a PC0. It means ICMP echo request sent successfully, reply came successfully. It means is it pinged or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now your imaginations, your assumptions gone, right? You got a clear picture, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you don't have packet level knowledge, you will be get confused. Yes or no? This is called packet level knowledge. Now is it clear? So what access port will do? Access port, when the frame, you can say switch, right? Frame entered on VLAN interface, it will tag the VLAN ID, and when it is exiting, exit, right? Exiting the VLAN, it will
Removes the
untag the VLAN ID. Is it clear? Simply the access port will do tag and untagging. Is it clear? The access port will
yes.
do tag and
Yes.
untagging. Okay. So
Yes.
same topology. Let's configure and check the testing. So next interface FA0/2 switch port mode access. Switch port access what VLAN?
10
VLAN
VLAN 10.
20.
10 man. Where are you right
10,
now?
10.
10, right? So switch 0, we have only VLAN 10. Now check the configuration. Always check the configuration. Show VLAN brief. See, FA0/1 and 2 belongs to VLAN 10. Now go to the switch. So now two interfaces belongs to one VLAN. What is that? VLAN 20. Enable configure terminal. So now you need to configure same commands on multiple ports. So what you have to do? You have to go
Range.
interface range FA0/1-2. Both ports are switch port mode access. Both ports are belongs to which one? VLAN 20.
Okay.
Did I created any VLAN? No. See, I did not create any VLAN 20. Okay. But if I give VLAN 20 here, what is that? Switchboard switchboard access VLAN 20. It is saying that, hey, VLAN 20 does not exist, but for you, I am going to create a VLAN 20. It will create VLAN 20 for you and it will show you. See, show VLAN brief. See, VLAN 20 is created, but the name it will take as a like this by default. If you want to change the name, you can enter into the VLAN 20 and change the name. Clear? Go to config terminal. In what is that? VLAN 20. Give name as sales. Okay. Now you can check show VLAN brief. See, like this. You guys are understand right? Even though if you don't create VLAN, if you want to assign these interfaces directly to the non-created VLAN, it will say that hey, this VLAN 20 is not created. See, I'm trying to assign these two ports into the VLAN 20. However, VLAN 20 is not created. For you, it will create. See, VLAN 20 is created and these two are the interfaces. Now, can I ping now? Hello, let's do ping testing.
Yes.
Come on, guys, is it interesting or boring?
Oh no, sir. Very interesting.
Interesting.
Okay, I like that keyboard call very fantastic. That boosts me a lot. So ping 192.168.1.2. Now, as per the theory, it will be ping. Now let's do practicals. It is pinging from PC0 to PC2. It is pinging. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that's how it is, right? Yeah. See, this is 1.1 IP. I am pinging 1.2. It is pinging successfully. This is called access port. Okay. Now, can I give you one more scenario? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Take another PC here. And now I want to take one more PC here. Okay. Yeah. For you, I try to make you understand with beautiful diagrams. Let's see whether I can do it or not. I can do it. So let's take this box, okay? Fill the color. What color you want? Blue color. Who likes blue here? Yeah.
Me, sir. My shirt is also blue color.
Oh my
Right.
god. Only shirt only, right? Yeah. Okay. VLAN 10. Now, VLAN 10, I am representing in the form of blue color. Okay. Yeah. So let's take this is also VLAN 10. Okay. Yeah. VLAN 10. So you understand? Both are VLAN 10. This is switch 0, this is switch 1. It is there in the first floor. It is there in the second floor. Okay. First floor we have a sales department, VLAN 10. Second floor also we have a sales department, VLAN 10. Now go for VLAN 20. So this is called VLAN 20 FA0/3. Okay. Now what color we want to select? Okay. This one is good. Okay. Now, okay. Where is that? Here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Arre Baba. This is a problem with Cisco packet tracer. That's why I don't like Cisco packet tracer much. Here, this one. One second. Okay. So this is the VLAN 20. Guys, you got right with the colors. So blue color is VLAN 10. Pink color is what?
Pink color.
VLAN
VLAN 20.
VLAN 20. VLAN 20. So you know what? In interview, the interviewers are stupid persons. They try to confuse you. Okay? You know why? This VLAN number they are giving here. Everyone thinking that the switch will understand VLAN 10. It will tag the VLAN 10 tagged by computer. So VLANs can be understood by layer 3 devices? No. These
No.
VLAN tagging cannot be understood by layer 3 devices. That's why access port what it is doing when it exiting the VLAN, it is removing the tag. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఈ కంప్యూటర్స్
Yes.
వీలాన్స్‌ని అర్థం చేసుకోదు. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు మిమ్మల్ని కన్‌ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి. దే ట్రై టు చెక్ యువర్ లాజికల్ థింకింగ్. మీరు బట్టి కొట్టారా? లాజికల్‌గా కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా చెక్ చేయడానికి ఇలా ఇస్తారు టోపాలజీలో. మీరేమనుకుంటారు పీసీ0లోనే వీలాన్ 10 అసైన్ చేశాను. అంటే పీసీ0 ఇంటర్ఫేస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు వీలాన్ 10 ఇట్ విల్ జనరేట్ ఎ ట్యాగ్ అంటారు. సో నో. PC0, PC will generate a data. The data will go to the switch. The port, whatever the port is belongs to VLAN, that there, there it will tag it. Clear? Make sense? Stick with the basics.
Yes.
You can crack
Yes.
any
Yes,
interview.
sir.
Okay. Now let's take VLAN 20 network 192.168.100.1 here, 192.168.100.2 here. Okay. Now the question is from PC0 to PC1. Okay, here it is VLAN 10. Okay, now let's. Okay, here it is VLAN 10. Here it is VLAN 20. Now tell me, guys, PC0 to PC1 will it ping or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But
Yes, sir.
PC2 to PC3 will it ping or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
PC,
Yes.
yeah, PC2 will generate ICMP. Okay. Now this data will go to FA0/3, and this FA0/3 will belongs to which VLAN? VLAN 20.
VLAN
VLAN
20.
20 tag will add. Now it is looking for VLAN 20 interface. Do we have
No
any
VLAN
VLAN
is
20?
there.
No interface is belongs to VLAN 20. Then how come the data will go to switch 1 and it will ping? Someone says it will be ping. So when you say answer, think twice or thrice. Send the data flow. Always think like a machine and send a data from computer and check the behavior of switch and answer it. Now you don't have any interface which is belongs to VLAN 20, right? So in this case, you can only either, if you configure VLAN 10 here, you can send the VLAN 10 traffic. If you configure VLAN 20, you can send the VLAN 20 traffic only. So I want to send both the VLAN traffic to this switch. Now what I need to do? So what you have to do, you need to configure as a trunk port, not a access port. Access port will tag and untagging it. That's it. So what you have to do, you need to configure this port as a what? Trunk port. It means it should not be any VLAN. So this port will be what? Trunk port. Here also it will be trunk port. What trunk port will do? Trunk port, see, any VLAN 20, see the data, PC2 data arrived on FA0/3. FA0/3 belongs to VLAN 20. So the data ICMP is tagged with VLAN 20. This ICMP VLAN 20 will go to trunk port. Now here the data, another one, same, okay, same like the data arrived on PC 060 will FA0/1 here. This FA0/1 belongs to which VLAN? VLAN 10. So this is adding VLAN 10. So this data will go to trunk port. It means trunk port is accepting both the VLAN traffic. And you know what trunk port will do? When it exiting, it will not untag it. It will carry the tag and send the data to the another switch. కొంతమంది మహానుభావులు ఉంటారు. ఏం చేస్తారు? ఆఫీస్ అయిపోయినా కూడా మెల్లో ఐడి కార్డ్ వేసుకొని తిరుగుతుంటారు. అవునా? ఇంటికి పోయేంత వరకు ఐడి కార్డ్ ఇప్పారు. అవునా? జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్. సేమ్ హియర్. మీకు గుర్తుండాలని అది చెప్పాను. ద థింగ్ ఈస్ ట్రంక్ పోర్ట్ కెన్ క్యారీ ద tagged frames. It will not do untag. Is it clear? What
Yes.
what it will carry? It will carry the all VLAN traffic. All VLANs, not only one particular VLAN. How many VLANs we have? It will trunk port will carry all VLANs and send to another trunk port. So now this trunk port received it. Now VLAN 10 traffic go to VLAN 10 interface, VLAN 20 traffic will go to VLAN 20 interface. Now these guys are the access ports. When it is going right, exiting it, they will untag it and send the empty frame to PCs. Clear? Make sense.
Yes.
So trunk port will carry what? Tagged frames. What is trunk port? It will carry
Tag.
carry
Private port.
tagged frames. It will carry what? Tagged frames. Is it clear, everyone? So now how to configure trunk port? Simple.
సార్ ఒక డౌట్ ఇక్కడ
Yeah, చెప్పండి. చెప్పండి.
ఒకసారి సిఎల్ఏ లిస్ట్ తీసేయండి సార్. ఇప్పుడు PC2 ఉంది కదా,
Hmm.
PC2 నుంచి VLAN 20 ఉంది కదా సార్. ఈ VLAN 20 నుంచి PC3కి కమ్యూనికేట్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్, ఎందుకంటే ఇది VLAN 20 స్విచ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అది అన్టాగ్ చేస్తారు కదా.
ఎక్కడ?
ఐ మీన్ FA02
స్విచ్ 1 దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాక సార్.
స్విచ్ 1 దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినాక
స్విచ్ 1 దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఇది ట్రంక్ పోర్ట్ కదా.
ట్రంక్ పోర్ట్ రాకముందుకు సార్, ట్రంక్ పోర్ట్ రాకముందుకు VLAN 20 ఇప్పుడు స్విచ్ 0 దగ్గర VLAN 20 ఉంది కదా సార్.
అవును.
PC2 PC2 నుంచి డేటా PC3కి పంపించాలంటే స్విచ్ దగ్గరకు పోతే స్విచ్ 0 దగ్గరకు పోద్ది. పోయిన తర్వాత
ఏ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ దగ్గర పోద్ది?
F02 ఐ మీన్ F02
యాడుంది F02? F03.
F03.
యా
ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నావా
ఐ మీన్ యా సారీ
F03 belongs to which VLAN?
VLAN 20.
It will tag VLAN 20. Okay.
VLAN 20 ట్యాగ్ చేస్తుంది.
తర్వాత
ట్యాగ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు స్విచ్ 1కి వెళ్ళిపోద్ది కదా సార్ ప్యాకెట్.
ఎట్లా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది స్విచ్ 1కి?
ఎందుకంటే ఎప్పుడైతే మన స్విచ్ 0 స్విచ్ 1కి పంపించేటప్పుడు అన్ట్యాగ్ చేసేస్తారు కదా VLAN.
అదే నువ్వు అన్ని డైరెక్ట్ గా వెళ్ళిపోకు. స్విచ్ 0 దగ్గర FA0/3 వరకు వచ్చింది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్యాగ్ ఇట్. నౌ వాట్ నెక్స్ట్? What it will do? This data will go to all VLAN 20 interfaces, right?
అవును.
ఇంతకుముందు FA0/2 ఏ VLAN లో ఉంది? VLAN 10 లో ఉంది.
ఓకే.
మరి VLAN 20 ఇంటర్ఫేస్ లేదు స్విచ్ 1కి పోవడానికి. మరి ఎట్లా పోతుంది ఎగ్జిట్ అయ్యి?
ఓకే.
అదేగా చెప్పింది నేను. అందుకే కదా ఒకవేళ పోనీ VLAN 20 ఉందనుకో అప్పుడు ఎగ్జిట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ మరి వాట్ అబౌట్ VLAN 10? VLAN 10 ట్రాఫిక్ పోదు కదా. అప్పుడు ఓన్లీ VLAN 20 మాత్రమే పోతుంది. నా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి? అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం VLAN 10 పోవాలా, VLAN 20 పోవాలా. కానీ ఇక్కడ
సో ఇంతకుముందు మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో సార్
ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో VLAN 20 లేదు.
VLAN 20 లేదు, కానీ ట్యాగ్స్ తీసేస్తారని చెప్పారు కదా. ట్యాగ్స్ తీసేసినప్పుడు స్విచ్ ఉంది కదా.
దట్స్ వాట్ యు మిస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ కంప్లీట్లీ. వాట్ ఈజ్ యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్? ఫస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ లో ఇది ఏంటయ్యేది? ఇది యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్ గా ఉంది. అవునా? దిస్ ఈజ్ యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్. వాట్ యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్ విల్ డూ? When it receives the data, it will tag. When it exits the data, it will untag. Cool. So, in that scenario, if FA0/2 అనేది ఒక VLAN లోనే కదా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తాం, మల్టిపుల్ VLAN లో ఒక ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తామా?
చేయం.
సో సపోజ్ VLAN 20 లో కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తే VLAN 20 ట్రాఫిక్ అంతా ఎగ్జిట్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ స్విచ్ 1 కి పంపిస్తుంది. మరి స్విచ్ VLAN 10 ట్రాఫిక్ ఉంది కదా, అది ఇక్కడ FA0/2 నుంచి బయటకు పోతుందా?
పోదు.
మరి నా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి? ఈ VLAN 10 ట్రాఫిక్ కూడా పోవాలి. ఓన్లీ VLAN 10 20 కాదు. సో అందుకే ట్రంక్ పోర్ట్ అని కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయాలి. యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్ కాదు, ట్రంక్ అని కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయాలి. ట్రంక్ అని కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తే ఈ ట్రంక్ పోర్ట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? VLAN 10 ట్రాఫిక్ ని VLAN 20 ట్రాఫిక్ ని రెండింటిని క్యారీ చేస్తుంది. బట్ ఇది అన్ట్యాగ్ చేయదు. ఇది ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఈ VLAN ట్యాగ్స్ ని అలాగే పెట్టుకొని క్యారీ చేస్తూ ట్యాగ్డ్ ఫ్రేమ్ ని క్యారీ చేస్తూ అనదర్ ట్రంక్ పోర్ట్ కి పంపిస్తుంది. ఈ ట్రంక్ పోర్ట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? రెస్పెక్టివ్ VLAN 10 ఇంటర్ఫేస్, ఈ VLAN 10 డేటాని VLAN 10 ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కి, VLAN 20 డేటాని VLAN 20 ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కి పంపిస్తుంది. Now these interfaces are access ports. What they will do? They will untag it and send that empty data to computers. That's what I said.
ఓకే. సో యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్ లో ఓన్లీ ఒక VLAN ఉంటేనే పని చేస్తుంది యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్, లేకపోతే పని చేయదు.
అర్థం కాలే. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రైట్ స్టేట్మెంట్. యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్ పని చేస్తుంది, పని చేయదని కాదు. That is not a right statement. If you see, what do you mean by access port? If you want to assign any interfaces to the VLANs, అంటే ఒక ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ని ఏదైనా ఒక VLAN లోకి అసైన్ చేయాలంటే దాన్ని యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్ గా చేయాలి. వాట్ యాక్సెస్ పోర్ట్ విల్ డూ? ఇట్ విల్ రిసీవ్స్ ద డేటా అండ్ ట్యాగ్ ఇట్. వెన్ ఇట్ ఎగ్జిట్స్ ద డేటా, ఇట్ విల్ అన్ట్యాగ్ ఇట్.
అన్ట్యాగ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు 2 VLANs అన్ట్యాగ్ చేసి పంపించచ్చు కదా సార్.
2 VLANs ఎట్లా పెడతావు భయ్యా? ఒక ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ని 2 VLANs కి ఎట్లా ఇస్తావు? ఓకే, ఈ FA0/2 ని VLAN 10 కి VLAN 20 కి రెండింటికి ఇచ్చేస్తావా? అది ఎట్లా పాసిబుల్? There is no such concept. Okay, that's why trunk came into the picture. Make sense?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right, fantastic. Now let's do the lab and see it. So let's initiate a traffic from PC0 to PC1, PC2 to PC3 continuously and test it. Shall we do that? So first I want to check configuration here. Do show VLAN brief. Look at the configuration. FA0/1 belongs to VLAN 10. Anna? Now FA0/2 belongs to trunk, but I need to remove this. So interface FA0/2, enter into it. How to configure trunk port? Very simple. Switch port mode, trunk. That's it. Okay. Now how to check whether the which interface is a trunk port or not? Simple. Show interfaces trunk. Show interfaces trunk command will show you which interface is the trunk port. See now FA0/2 is trunking status and that mode should be enabled on. See how many VLANs it is allowing by default? 1 and 10. I need to create VLAN 20 also. Now, so interface what? FA
If it is a
slash 3.
03
Yeah, switch port mode, access,
access
switch mode access, VLAN
VLAN 20.
20 I did
VLAN
not,
20.
yeah, 20 I did not created, it is creating for me. Okay. See now show VLAN brief. See now, is it done? VLAN 10 is belongs to FA0/1, FA0/3 belongs to VLAN 20. And now trunk port is FA0/2. The configuration is done, right? Hello?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Same
sir.
here. Same here. Enable config terminal interface FA0/1 switch port mode what?
Trunk.
Fantastic. Now interface FA0/3 switch port mode what? Access
Good access
and
VLAN 20.
VLAN 20. Very good. Switch port access VLAN
20.
20. Now there is one more interface. Interface FA0/2
Zero.
switch mode access switch mode
VLAN
access VLAN 10.
10.
Okay. Now let's see show VLAN brief. Okay. FA0/2 belongs to VLAN 10. FA0/3 see FA0/3 belongs to VLAN 20 here see. And now trunk port show interfaces trunk FA0/1 will be trunk port. Look at this, all three VLANs are allowed. Okay. Now configure the IP addresses of the devices 192.168.100.1. Now 100.2. So now what I have to do? I need to enable a ping. It means continuous ping. Okay. From two computers. Okay. Okay. One is 192.168.100.2. It means PC2 to see this is PC2. I'm pinging PC3. PC3 IP address is 100.2. Right? See, I want to ping here. Okay. So let's do ping continuous ping. Ping hyphen T. Okay. Same way we have what? Same this thing. So I'm sending both the traffic at the same time. Is it clear, guys? Hello.
Yeah.
So it should be ping. Okay. See, I'm entering here. I'm entering here. Is it pinging? See, VLAN 10 traffic is going. VLAN 20 traffic is going. Yes or no? Continuously.
Yes.
Hello, guys.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
we
sir.
Yes,
achieved
yes.
it.
Yes,
We
yes.
achieved it, right? So if you want to send a multiple VLAN traffic on the interfaces side, that should be a trunk port. Make sense, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So if you see right, GNS3 implement it and do what is that? Packet capture. You'll understand. Okay. Okay. Where is that GNS3? Yeah, here. I just want to show you packet capture. You just implemented it. Okay. So what is that tag? Okay. Let's see. Yeah. You see right here. Same stuff. Okay. Let's start it. Let's start it. I think I have already configured it. Same thing. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's do a packet capture here. See, I told you yesterday, right? When you turn on a device, see STP. STP is exchanging. So STP is a which protocol? L2, right? See,
Yes.
typical protocol, span entry protocol. You see inside span entry, what you will see? BPDUs, right? See, these are
Mm.
the BPDUs. So BPDUs, bridge IDs. What is the priority? VLAN number one and MAC address. Seeing right? Everyone, hello?
Yes.
Whatever we discussed. Yeah. Okay. Now go on PC one. Yeah. So now I want to ping 1.2 here. Okay. Ping 192.168.1.2. See, it is pinging. See the packet capture. You see the packet capture, right? Look at the echo request packet. Look at this. So I did not configure any trunk port, right? I did not configure any trunk port. That's why when it is, these are the access port. See, look at this. Where is the, this is a switch, right? One second. Yeah. So this is a switch. This switch E0 slash 1, right? This E0 slash 0. So see, show VLAN brief. E0 slash 0 is not belongs to any VLAN. Okay, let's configure E0 slash 0 belongs to VLAN 10. So E0 slash 0, sorry, E0 slash 2. So config terminal, immediately interface E0 slash 2, switch mode, switch mode access,
Access
switch mode
VLAN
access,
10.
VLAN 10.
10.
Okay, now interface E0 slash 0, switch port mode, trunk. You guys understand, right? So this is
Yes.
advanced switch. You need to enable encapsulation first. Switch port mode encapsulation. Sorry, switch port access encapsulation. Switch port encapsulation. Switch port what? Yeah, switch port dot one q. You need to enable it. Switch port. Yeah, trunk encapsulation dot one q. So guys, these are the advanced switch. You need to enable a encapsulation mechanism. In Cisco packet tracer, you have a old switches. That is the old switches. These are the new switches. If you want to configure as a trunk port, you must configure a encapsulation. This dot one q IEEE standard dot one q encapsulation should be enabled to accept these stagger frames. Now you can configure switch port mode trunk. Okay, is it clear? Now go on L3. Simply enable config terminal. What is the interface here? Interface
0 by 2.
E00000 switch port
More.
trunk encapsulation dot one q. Now switch
Discussion
port,
dot one.
yeah, switch port mode trunk. Now what is the interface? Interface E0 slash 2 switch port. What is that? Switch port mode
Access.
access. Switch port access
VLAN 10.
VLAN 10. Okay. Now VLAN 10 to VLAN 10. Let's ping now. Okay. Here. See, will it ping now? Not reachable. Let's see. Why it is not reachable?
Trunk
So we need to verify the configuration.
Today.
Okay. So
switch.
let's go to L3 switch. Where is the switch? Okay, this switch. Okay. This is a switch, right? Let's see. Show VLAN brief. Look at this. VLAN 10 is belongs to E0 slash 2. Perfect. Perfect. Now show interface trunk. See, trunk is enabled. It is on. Okay. Now here. Do show interface trunk. It mode is on. And now do show VLAN brief. Okay. So VLAN also configured, right? E0 slash 2 belongs to VLAN 10. Okay. But what is happening here? I think you need to shut on the trunk port. So interface E0 slash 0 shut, no shut. So do show interface trunk. See, now it is on. Okay, fine. Let's do this again. The ping. So I think so. There is no IP address configured here. That's the problem. Let's see. Oh, 1.2 is configured, right? 1.2 is configured. So ping 192.168.1.1. Hey, it's pinging, man. It's pinging. So from here, it is pinging now. I haven't done anything. Maybe it is backend, it is processing it. Okay. So look at this. Why I'm replicating this lab in GNS3? I want to show you packet capture. Look at this here. Take one packet capture. Now see, the trunk port will carry what? Tagged frames. Yes or no? The trunk port will carry tagged
Tag
frames. What
one.
is the encapsulation? 802.1q. Look at this. Is it carrying the tag? So trunk is a layer 2 feature. You see, that's why layer 2, it is a type is trunk. Okay. Now this is a VLAN 10. Is it carrying the VLAN 10 or not? Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
If it is access port, it will untag it, send the data out. That's why in packet capture you don't see any untagged frame. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
if it is access port, right, when the data is exiting through interface, it will
It
untag it.
untags.
Yeah, it will untag it and send out. But that's why you didn't see any tag. But now it is carrying the tag, right? Now you see the proof here. This is a proof of trunk. It is carrying the tagged frames. ID 10. You see ID 10. Okay. So in Cisco Packet Tracer, we done the same thing. We are able to ping from VLAN 10 to VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 20 simultaneously. Okay. So yeah. So that's all about access port, trunk port, and scenario-based question and answers of today class. And I want to explain inter-VLAN routing, but the time already completed. If you're interested, I will tell you. Otherwise, tomorrow I'll continue. Inter-VLAN routing. It means if you want to enable a communication from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20, it means 1.1 to 100.1. These are two networks, right? Do you need what? You need a router. Okay? Yeah. So I will explain tomorrow. No hurries. What do you say? Can we go for tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions? If you have any questions, please ask me.
so the answer for your first question, like will the PC1 and PC2 ping or not? The answer would be a cross question of type of port configuration, right? We have to make it
Definitely, it is VLAN 10, right? If it is VLAN 10 or VLAN 20, if you want to configure any interface to the VLAN, that should be access port. Yeah.
okay. So if we don't mention any VLAN, then we should ask whether it is access or trunk.
No, by default, VLAN 1 is there. By default, the ports are access ports only. You know, right?
Okay.
What is the default
Yeah.
VLAN? VLAN 1. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
By default, you can say those are access ports only. You can consider that.
Okay.
Any questions? So, switching is easy, right? Than routing. What do you say?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. So, prepare well. That's all for today. Thank you.